Our greatest test, tunabango na Revelation 17, verse 14. This will make war with the Lamb, and the Lamb will overcome them, for he is Lord of lords and King of kings. And those who are with him are called and chosen and faithful. Oira ratuva te kena kalo, oira tuva te kena ndina. E tu kuna wango na kalo, they are one, era tamata kadivi. Karua, era tamata ndingitaki. Kena katolu, era tamata yalundina, tamata bakambauta. When you are with God, these three things, you are called, you are chosen, and you are faithful. Remember that. But this is what I want to say in respect to this verse. Not all are called. Not all are chosen. And not all are faithful. Do you get that? Although the Bible said, oiranga era tuva take nandina. Oiranga era marra nandina. These are the people who are called, who are chosen, who are faithful. O sangir nondalai. Okay, pie come pie. When God said that you stand with him, you stand with the truth. Remember, you are called, chosen, and faithful. But I want to say to us this morning that not all are called, not all are chosen, and not all will be faithful. So bear that in mind. As we close this morning, Genesis 22, 2. Nang nona kadhivi o Eprama me kauti Isaac. Tunabango na bosu niklo, then he said, take now your son, your only son, Isaac, whom you love, and go to the land of Moriah, and offer him there as a burnt offering on one of the mountains of which I shall tell you. And doon na kaya baka maringgeto e parama na lubena ngonia sangasi. O de na lubena? Isaac. And doon na kaya baka maringgeto e parama ngay tukuna ba na kalaw. Kau tamay na kaya baka maringgeto ngori. May batambora biyaw. There was a tough call for Abraham. Me solia and doon na kaya baka maringgeta, me solia buwan na kalaw and ayalo ni nona baka mbauta na kalaw. Nadaba o baka maringgeta tiko. What do you cherish in your life that you need to commit to God? God called Isaac to offer his son, called Abraham to offer his son Isaac as a burnt offering. Na burnt offering, and daw kaumay na manu-manu tau dokwe sini kau ngamay do na tikina. Burnt offering na manu-manu tau dokwe kaumay. When God is calling us to offer something for him, he said, everything to be offered to him. Your time, your money, your family, your work, everything to be offered to God. In faith, for those who are called by God, they are called, chosen, and faithful in all areas of life. And a second round in the maroroi ko sonaka, menangay tuko na wana kalo, God, I'm offering this, but I'll keep this. God says to Abraham, bring me Isaac as a burnt offering. A burnt offering is not part of an animal, a whole animal. And when we come to God, we offer everything to him. Ke malu-malu miti ka na nonda soli katini. Offer your tithe to God. Ke malu muti kona nanda ngauna ni mas. Offer your time of prayer to God. Ke malu muti kona nanda vewa kani ke na kalau. Offer it to God. You are called. You are chosen. You are faithful.